Hey guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 things to do when you get bored at home. I know I must have done this video a couple of months back when the quarantine season have just started, but never mind, it's never too late to start something really good. Now before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment using the hashtag YouTubeBeraFam so that I could reply to all the comments whomsoever uses this hashtag. Subscribe to my channel, also this little bell icon, and yes, without a further ado, let's get into this video. Books were always my best friend, and lately I've been loving all the books from my favorite author Ravinder Singh, and I was running out of the books from my favorite author. So it was really difficult for me to go out and purchase some books for myself. So I coordinated with one of my friend wherein he introduced me with a very cool app which is nothing but an audiobook app. So the name of this app is called Storytel, wherein I can easily read books of my favorite choice, and I'm glad I encountered this app. Now I've been reading a book called A Kiss in the Air by Ravinder Singh, and oh my god, I so freaking love this app because you guys can easily multitask while listening to any of the books of your choice, and you won't feel guilty that you need to take out some time from your busy lives and do a certain thing. It's very easy to multitask while listening to any of the book of your choice. May it be while cleaning your stuff or maybe folding your clothes or doing any household chores. So I am really impressed with this app. Now this app is very user friendly. You can easily create your account. You can create your own bookmarks so that you don't miss out on the page where you have left listening to. So you guys can easily resume it using this feature called create your own bookmark. Apart from that, this app is available in various languages, so that's the best part about this app. There's also a kids zone wherein your toddlers can learn a lot. So yeah, what are you guys waiting for? Download this app right now because I have been loving using this app from a very long time. Usually when you go ahead and check out this app, you get a 14 days free trial, but if you guys use the link in the description box below, you guys will get a 1 month subscription fee. Now this app is available in Google Play Store. Each and every detail is mentioned in the description box below, so please go ahead and check it out. It's quarantine season and you guys might feel like playing games. So there are several games which are available online, so you guys could go ahead and play games of your favorite choice. I personally love playing Ludo with my family members and also Uno, and lately I've been loving an app which is called Pictionary. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you guys could check ahead this game and play it with your friends. But I guess I would love playing with you guys, so yeah, do let me know in the comments down in case you want to play with me, if that makes any sense. Do what you are good at. Now personally, if you guys ask me what I'm good at, so I'm really good at doing creative stuff. So I take out some time from my busy life and indulge in those kind of activities. Lately I've been loving to do all kind of face art on my face. So in case you guys have not checked face, then you guys should definitely check out. Now I have a Instagram makeup page called Makeup by Bera, so you guys need to check it out so you guys could encounter all the face arts I do lately, and please make sure you follow it. It's quarantine season and you guys don't want to get out of shape, so to be back on track, you guys can go ahead and do some sort of fitness routine. So personally I have been loving doing yoga all the time. Trust me guys, it brings a lot of inner peace within me when I indulge myself into doing some sort of yoga. So I've also posted few of the pictures on my Instagram. So in case you guys want, you guys could check it out. Instagram handle goes with the name Pooja_Bera. I think I've done enough of the promotion. So yes, I would highly recommend you guys to please stay fit this quarantine. Now the fifth thing which I would recommend you guys to go ahead and do is do the things which you are not good at. So for example, if you ask me what I'm not good at, so I would easily say I'm not good at dancing, I'm not good at cooking. So you guys could go ahead, figure out things which you are not good at and give yourself a try so that you'll feel a little better indulging yourself in activities which you are not good at, and maybe someday you'll become a pro in that. So yeah. Also, in case you guys have not checked my dance videos that are horrendous, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for you guys to check out. I'm really bad at dancing, although my sister is really good. So you guys need to check her channel. Her channel goes with the name Neha Bera. So please abhi ke abhi jao, subscribe karo and comment kar do yaar. Next productive thing which you guys could go ahead and do is click some pictures for your gram. Now in case you guys are looking out for some good photo shoot ideas, then I have made couple of videos on my channel, so you guys could go ahead and check it out. Link will be present in the description box below. Lately I've been loving doing all the photo shoot all by myself, so yes, you guys can easily go ahead and do that, and it would hardly take you like 5 minutes because whatever hacks I've shared on my videos are really easy to try. So please go ahead and check those videos, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Another productive thing which I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and do is indulge yourself in some sort of 2-minute DIYs. Now when I say DIYs, there are a lot of things put on over the internet wherein you guys could easily go ahead and follow the tutorials and make some 2-minute crafts all for yourself, so that you would feel more creative and let your creative space get discovered by yourself. So yeah, please indulge yourself in activities similar to this. Thing which I would highly recommend you guys could go ahead and try out is, draw your imagination or let your imagination breathe. So lately I've been loving sketching and all, so I have done couple of sketches and all. So I'm going to put the pictures right here, so you guys could always go ahead, let your imagination breathe, put it on your paper, and trust me guys, you are going to feel better doing that. Okay, now the second last thing which I would ask you guys to do is stop spreading hatred on internet. Yes, you guys have heard it right. Lately I've been binge watching all the videos on internet, those popular viral videos, and I have been seeing lot of hate comments. So I won't encourage you guys to start spreading hatred. I mean, internet is a very positive space. Don't when you write one abusive comment, it totally distracts someone's mind. I mean, थोड़ा खुद को अपनी उनके जगह पे रख के देखो, सोचो कि अगर मेरे लिए कोई ऐसा कमेंट लिखता तो कैसा लगता. So please stop spreading hatred on internet. Let it be a positive space. Bas, that's it. Now the last thing which I would recommend you guys to go ahead and do is, since we have turned ourselves into pandas who have such a lazy ass doing nothing all day. So since you guys are at home, you guys could go ahead and take care of your skin. So don't worry, I'm going to make sure to do one skincare routine for you guys so that you guys could follow it and take care of your skin. But lately I've been using gulab gel to take care of my skin. So I've been doing this couple of times, washing my face, cleansing my face. Along with that, I've also started doing masking on my face. So I have been loving my skin lately, so I want you guys to go ahead and take care of your skin and feel good about yourself. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have found this video really useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment using the hashtag YouTubeEraFam and let me know what you guys do in this quarantine season to pass your time. And subscribe to my channel. Also press the little bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.